rich dish, which is the tribal cuisine.
Yeah, nice climate. The wind is amazing. The weather is beautiful.
Oh, wait. Guys, this is the tribal museum in Araku. So we're going inside.
There might be monkeys there.
Oh yeah, guys, we took the ticket. It is for adults 40 rupees and it starts from 9 to 7 p.m. guys.
Yeah, I could have taken the child ticket. We have special tribal dance on Saturday and Sunday, guys. We missed it. We can't have it.
Okay.
We expected to see that, but
Guys, this is a really nice view. There is a swimming pool. I think there is boating here.
and it's drizzling, guys. My hair is slowly getting wet. small, droplets of water drizzles.
Guys, I think they used to dive there. Guys, I think this is for boating.
There are boats back
Yeah.
there. Coffee plantation is there, guys.
Coffee
Yes.
plant. Guys, they have a
this
small
is
route
nice.
map here. So this is a small, overline of Araku.
List of the places.
So waterfalls,
Tourist places.
Katiki waterfalls, Gout Road, tunnels number 38.
Golden coffee plantation. Oh my god.
Guys,
This is the Borra Caves, guys.
guys, these are the Bora caves. We'll be going here.
There will be one train way where you can travel through Borra Caves. This is so nice. What's that? Which is that waterfall? Katiki waterfalls, and then we have
Katiki waterfalls,
We have
and
tea
there is this
plantations, coffee plantations.
hairpins.
This is so nice. I like this. Yeah. This is like how you make for Christmas, not Jesus and all. This reminded me of science exhibitions.
Science exhibition.
This is a Fortuner painted in red. And what? This water is flowing anti-gravity. It just stopped there.
Okay, guys, let's explore the tribal
Yeah.
museum. There's a lot of parks I'm seeing there, and
One more miniature.
yeah. So, guys, there's a lot of miniatures here.
Shit, I'm liking
We
these.
have one more miniature.
Yeah,
We have many.
many.
This is for tribal museum.
Guys, there is another miniature here.
Second miniature.
Second
tribal
miniature.
museum. Two. We have
Some
one
craft village is there.
Yeah,
This is
Chompi village. That is
okay. This is all the craft village and Chaprai waterfalls, Paderu Road and Orissa Jaipur Road, Kolhapur waterfalls. Guys, one thing I have to say to you guys, we are 12 kilometers away from the Orissa border. Yeah, that is the border. So Paderu is the place where the border is. So you can see Paderu Road here. And this is the Orissa Jaipur Road. Over there is the border, guys.
We traveled through this.
Yeah, we are almost near to Orissa. Guys, in our pattern, in future we want to travel to the southeast. So,
Yeah, that will be our
Yeah.
next plan.
so that is our next goal, guys. And here we have,
ITDA office too.
okay,
ITDA office.
Matsya Gundaram. Matsya Gundam. Matsya Gundam. Jolapuri Dam. It's actually beautiful.
What is that?
Modamamba Padalu.
It's a school. No?
Idea.
Okay. Lambasinghi village, guys.
Lambasinghi village.
Narsipatnam
Road.
Teleru Road.
And there is another dam. There is a lot of
Waterfalls.
guys. We visited all these places.
We just crossed all these things and we came here.
There was a dam there.
Yeah.
A boat ride here.
Yes, guys. See.
Oh my god. Sky cycle is there. Zip liner is also there.
Oh, they're saying it.
Oh, this is a small zip liner.
Yeah.
Guys, right now the condition because of the rain and all that, the Krishna river is overflowing and the dams.
Not overflowing. It's like increasing the
Yeah,
water
in
level.
increasing the water level and the dams are set to open and the flow is huge.
Yeah.
So if we are going on that way, we'll be able to see it. So this is actually a big museum, guys.
Yeah.
Let's actually don't know where to
There
go.
is a tribal dance.
Really?
That's where it happened.
That is the idols.
Okay.
Go in middle and take a picture.
So guys, there is this tribal statues. This is a Dimsa dance. This is one of the popular community folk dance in this place in Visakhapatnam district in Andhra Pradesh. This is generally performed in Chitra festival or Itigala Pandya or some marriage celebration on any festival occasion.
Yeah.
And there is like a lot of types of, you know, such dance, different names. So
There's various types of dances are there, guys. They do this for festivals, marriages, weddings, all such purposes.
yeah, guys, these the one thing about these statues are it looks so real.
And
Actually,
the jewelry that they wear is also very realistic.
Yes, guys,
The nose
I can see she's here like that real.
Yeah.
I am not real.
Okay, guys, there is also a lot of installations in this place. So these are recently constructed. This is not tribal, I guess. And also there is a lot of beautiful installations. The reason why is because these are made of metals and also tiles. Okay, you can see clay tiles, and they've made this beautiful motifs and created this. This is a unique style, guys, that I found here. It almost looks like a fort, like a, you know, a curved fort, and in the center it's like a gate. Beautiful. And there is a lot of birds they put, and also a crow is standing on top of that, just like it's a real bird. Yeah. And also there is a lot of mask, you know, made in metal, and also the same type of installation that we saw here is also here. I think this is kind of a style they've planned here for this museum. And you can see when you go near, it's actually very intricate with metal. It's actually very hard to do. You know, the metal is really strong.
The thing is, all these are handmade, guys. The same design is not repeated anywhere.
Yeah, everything have a story, guys. It's more like that puppet show, right?
Yeah. Just
Yeah.
like that, they made each and everything.
Yeah, guys, you can see it's a different action is done in different places. So it's like a reel, you know, like a movie reel.
All the tribals have
Yeah.
combinedly done each and every bit of this museum, guys.
I'm
Interesting.
guys, this is like a movie, that reel, you know, it's changing each and every time.
These two bells are not similar. These are like that, each and everything is separately made. It's like a skeleton.
Yes, guys.
Yeah. Entire story. Wow.
Guys, we have another small museum here. This is the agricultural block here. So we'll be able to see a lot of agricultural tools they use here. And also we can see a cart, a bullock cart here of the tribal. These all are made by tribals and also been used for years.
Oh my god, is he real? I just thought he was real. Shit.
Guys, these are the agricultural tools they use, the type of ropes, the how they used to tie. There might be different types of tie they used to follow. And also these are the tools they used to plow the land. And also you can see that knife, kodavali.
All the wooden sticks and all.
Yes, guys, and over this side, these are the things that used with the cattle while they are plowing the land.
The plow and stuff.
Yes, guys. And amazing place. And they have maintained it really well, guys. I can see the, you know, yeah, look at that. It's so beautifully done.
Agricultural block, guys. This is block.
And there's a lot of parks in this side.
It's raining, it's way time.
Nev is asking for parks for swinging, and she got it. Guys, and also there is another, I think this is a fountain or something.
Yeah, it's a kind of fountain.
Yeah, guys, this represents the steppe culture, agriculture that farmers do here.
Oh my god.
Like which tribe?
Guys, this represents the steppe agriculture that we used to see. Yeah, terrace farming.
From the name, right?
Yeah, exactly. Guys, terrace cultivation in the mountain areas that we used to see everywhere. This is a small, you know, overview of that. Beautiful.
This is the same guy.
Guys, it's still raining here and we are, you know, walking in the rain.
Walking in the rain.
Guys, there used to be a lot of shops here in the seasonal times. You can see all the shops are closed. Yeah.
Oh, look at the sparrows.
And even here there is a lot of shops, but it's all closed.
We have some restaurants, Chocolate Valley, some things and all.
But we are having bad luck, guys. None of these are opened in this.
Too early today. We are the early birds of the museum. We got the first visitors here.
Early birds get some.
Early birds
Yeah, see it.
catches the prey. He lost the prey.
Let's see what we get. So guys, there's a lot of shops here. These shops sell, you know, unique things that is sold by the tribals also, which is, you know, the dolls, the wooden dolls, and also bangles, and also these are the handbags. If you see, these are the handbags which are done by the tribes and sold here.
Oh my god, so beautiful.
Woven, yeah.
Look at this denim handbag, so good.
Guys, these are the bangles I was talking about.
So good. I think these are done in Etikopaka by tribals and so. I'm not sure. This is a wooden.
You can see a lot of different patterns and colors. Wow.
All the patterns are inspired from the nature.
And also these are the wooden dolls. You can see deities and also civilians. You know, they make the inspiration out of
Their life.
their lifestyle. You will see cattle, you will see buffaloes,
Yeah.
you will see, and a lot of such things, guys. That was nice. So there is a lot of shops here. It's slowly opening. Bro, no need. So guys, there's a lot of such shops here. And also there is this shop where they sell coffee seeds and coffee powder, right? And lot of such things, guys. Herbal products also. And what is this unique thing?
What?
Yeah.
This is mud thing. Is it made out of mud?
Anna.
These are all made of mud.
Oh.
Guys, we have a display of bow and arrow.
This is so good.
I liked it.
I feel like buying it now. We can use it for hunting. We can use it for safety purpose.
Really?
How to use it? I don't know.
You will be the Hawkeye. Bow and arrow.
Things are not good. We can do it.
Uh-huh.
And
This is
then
actually
the
strong,
breed of mud,
really
and this
strong.
is the family business, guys. These are done by their parents.
Right. Oh.
Yeah. And
Of these kids, okay. Nice. So they have a lot of
mud made, earthen pot.
clay pots.
Clay pot, earthen pot. Shit.
Beautiful, guys. There is these animals made out of clay. Wow. That is such an artisan's hands.
Skilled work.
I can see a elephant there. Wow. Guys, there is a lot of dogs. I haven't seen a single person here. We are the only people came to the museum at this point of time. And there is a stage. Yeah, I think this is where the tribal dance happen or any other, you know, festival. Oh yeah, sing a song. Yeah, we have lead, we have yo. Wow, nice tummy there.
Grace here, others are
There is another member there.
girls also joined to our this beautiful program of life designer.
What are you guys gonna do? Come on. What are you guys gonna do? Are you gonna jump from there? That's the show.
We actually like to dance tribal dance. If we know, like we would have did it.
Do a
That
step here, we'll follow you.
I don't have any idea about tribal dance.
Just do a step, I'm telling you.
I think what they
Look
did
at that
is
one.
something like this and all they used to do.
They're like, what are these people doing on my place?
I also want to join, guys.
This is amazing, nice theater here, a small stadium. Guys, it's drizzling. It's actually heavy rain. My shoe is full of water. Oh shit!
This is rain dance.
Okay guys, we are in Araku Valley market. We just visited the tribal museum over there, which is in the middle of the market, and we are going to have bamboo chicken biryani.
Finally, guys.
Finally. Guys, there's a lot of shops here. And it's a crowded place, guys.
It's getting busier.
Yeah.
The whole sound is very
Creepy. It's creepy.
hard. Just scare us off.
Guys, we just reached one of the stores where they sell bamboo chicken.
Hot bamboo chicken.
Bamboo chicken.
It's been very long since I had it. Yeah. I had it long back, some 2 years back. I think we can see the...
Guys, this is a shop where you get bamboo chicken biryani in Araku Valley, and she's just starting to make a bamboo chicken. So let's see how it is done. Yes.
Fresh chicken is kept in the tub, guys.
And also there is this barbecue. What do I say?
This is barbecue.
Barbecue. Yeah. So these are the grills. So this is where you keep the bamboo. And she have a very lovely daughter here. Hi.
Cheppu peru. Ganga. Her name
Ganga.
is Ganga. Oh, I got my mom's name.
Guys, so let's see how she is doing it. Hi. పేరేంటి? గంగా. ఓ పేరేంటి? గంగా. So guys, this is their kitchen, and this is where all the cooking is done. They have already cutted onions and kept here.
Lot of onions.
And this is the place where the cooking happens, guys.
Just sauté. Oh, this is for biryani.
Okay guys, this is for
Separate biryani.
guys. So what he is doing is separate biryani. So bamboo chicken is only this process.
So they are making this separately. If anyone gives orders separately for bamboo biryani only, they're gonna make it. Because
Okay.
it will take around 40 minutes and the whole process will take place like they'll mix the whole thing, mixing ever. And they'll keep it in the bamboo and it will take around 40 minutes for getting ready the whole fully cooked bamboo chicken.
Oh,
so this
God.
process is not for bamboo chicken, guys. This is for separate dum biryani or fry biryani.
Okay.
So that is going on there, but this is the authentic bamboo biryani process that you guys can see. I think she's almost done with adding all the masalas into chicken. What is your name? Hello.
So guys, this is the kind of bamboo they are going to make biryani.
And it's long enough. Is
So,
it blocked on one side? Yeah, it's blocked on one side. I think they'll close the other side while putting the
Okay.
biryani. Yeah. They'll keep biryani and then they have some kind of leaf this. I saw in other batch when it is cooking. And they'll cover the other side by putting biryani and then they'll stuff the leaves also.
okay.
To not allow the
Very
pressure.
neatly cleaned inside. Wow. So I think these bamboos are only used at once, guys. Once the biryani is done, this will be thrown away and a fresh one is taken, and again they'll do the biryani in there.
They have a lot here.
So guys, they've taken one green fresh bamboo stick for us.
Chicken mixing is going on.
Yeah.
All the masalas are added.
She's telling me to take her. Yeah. Hi. She looks like a doll.
Starting she's very shy, but now she's waving at us. She's talking to us.
So guys, our bamboo chicken shoot is cooking on charcoal. This is bamboo chicken is a oil-free and nutritionally rich dish, which is the tribal cuisine of Araku Valley. So guys, the process is like they'll marinate the chicken with all the ingredients and keep it aside for 1 hour, and then they will stuff this marinated chicken into this bamboo shoot and leave it on the charcoal, the coal, the grill, and leave it for 45 minutes to cook.
Spices. They are keeping them in the bamboo.
And then we'll take it out and have it with nice lime and chopped onions. So guys, with that we need to wait at least 45 minutes. And now the bamboo shoot itself is cooking.
Life of human guys from young age to old age. I know it's vague, but it's okay. Yeah,
Guys, the chicken is cooking.
Tanga chicken.
Yeah, this is so nice to see. Look at the color combo. Green and orange.
Cooking in this fire, medium fire. Oh, wow.
It's so hot here to stand. It's so good. Much better to stand here.
Cold climate, this is the
Only place to stand,
and with a good smell from bamboo chicken.
that is too much to wait for.
Oh guys, look at this texture now, it changed.
Black. It was so green.
And our bamboo chicken is rushing out after cooking.
Oh, look at that coming.
Guys, actually bamboo chicken is oil free. And this is the
This is the water.
Yeah,
Oh, it's so tasty. I can't wait to have them anymore.
smell is
Oh,
wow.
sweet. Is it not done yet?
We might have to wait for another 10 minutes, I guess.
Oh my god. Oh, this takes more time.
Guys,
Okay guys, these bamboo stems are like live, you know, very fresh at starting, very young, and then by the time we come to the end, everything is so dark, burnt and black. Completely burnt. How much? Even the chicken inside is also so cooked. I don't know what a great comparison, guys. Okay.
guys, our bamboo chicken is cooking. Wow. Look at the oil just falling from that. Yeah. See that? From the forest. Yes, guys, look at this nice rain time, and we are cooking bamboo chicken here. Wow, I think I can see it. Akka, it came out. Akka, enna? It won't come out. it won't come out. Okay. Nice, man. It's almost ready. We all are waiting here to have it.
The chicken peeping outside from the bamboo.
Ah, look at the oil falling, man. It's a juice. Oh. Wow. You know, it's actually, I really like standing around it because it's very warm. Ooh.
Authentic, organic.
Wow. Organic kitchen started.
I robbed the nerve keyword. Prove here. This side the juice is ready.
Okay, ready?
Look at the pattern on the
Yeah, after drying, it is like a coconut tree now.
Look at the water droplets juice coming down.
Those are oil.
Yeah, the juice of chicken. No? They didn't add oil.
To cool the bamboo down. అల్లం కాదు వెల్లుల్లిపాయ. Nice guys, I can already smell, you know. Ow, charcoal. The ash.
Look at the juices coming down, guys, from the chicken. Properly cooked chicken and the water is coming down. Hey!
Oh, she's giving it acid. How to Guys, we stopped here to have bamboo chicken, and there in this side you can see train. Guys, there's a beautiful visual here. You can see there is mountain and there is good train going here. Wow.
Every creature here.
Guys, such a nice climate. The wind is amazing. The weather is beautiful. And the scenery is fantastic, right? Say your thing.
I like the phrase how Grace said.
I think Adbhutam, Panchadbhutam. Guys, we are going to have bamboo chicken here. We can't wait to have it. Actually, I thought it is bamboo chicken biryani, but I got mistaken.
I gave the wrong information.
Guys, this is a really nice place. There is a nice mountain and an amazing scenery over here. Cloud is so beautiful. Weather is amazing. And we are having amazing bamboo chicken. Wow.
Oh my god.
Guys, this is unpacking bamboo chicken.
And then now the bamboo gonna fell down.
Oh, wait.
Guys, we're going to have bamboo chicken. Super excited. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my
Guys,
god,
oh,
so good. It smells amazing.
Nice, that's really amazing.
It smells amazing.
Nice, that's wow.
What is in this?
This is salad.
Guys, this is salad for chicken. Wow. Guys, we're gonna wash our hands and have it quickly. Ah,
It's cold, right?
yeah, it's really cold.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, go wash your hands then. Oh,
With the
God.
chopsticks.
Brilliant people, guys. Okay.
That is not possible.
Guys, we're going to taste it. Wow.
Superb.
Guys, it is actually well cooked in bamboo. This had
Guys, this is melting in my mouth.
Masala is so good.
so amazing.
I got the bone piece, but it's so good.
The bone is also, you know.
Yeah, the meat is really nicely cooked. The masalas are like that. I took the bone taste. And the masala is so nice and perfectly cooked.
Guys, she is also having it.
Wonderful.
Little bit of lemon, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Tasty, man.
Very tasty.
Not reaching there, okay?
Wow, guys.
It's fried cuisine.
Yeah, it is a tribe cuisine. Wow.
With lemon.
Guys, everyone is super involved in having the chicken. Really amazing taste. Really distinct taste actually. Guys. Whoa, everyone is super silent, guys.
I don't know
You
what
can hear the pin drop silence.
The one time all of us are silent. The only sound you can hear is us munching the pieces. We have also got a salad, onions and lemons.
Salad is the best.
And with the lemon.
No, chicken is the best. Wow.
Chicken with the salad is the best.
Yeah, chicken with a little of lemon and then fresh
Lemon
onion.
is my favorite.
Let us everyone eat. This is so.
After eating lemon,
Wait, make sure you get it.
I'm having it. I'm having it, guys.
Multitasking, very important.
Guys, really nice drizzle, rain and wow,
Climate.
nice climate, amazing view. We are having bamboo chicken here. Look at it, it's raining.